Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can log out TikTok account. So first of all, open the TikTok application as usual. You are currently logged in into the account of TikTok. So to log out from this account, you need to tap on the hamburger icon on the top right, tap that. Here you tap open setting and privacy. Inside setting and privacy page, you scroll down to the very bottom and you will have the logout option. Tap on logout. Are you sure you want to log out? Tap on logout. Tap on logout over here. And this will get you logged out of your TikTok account. You can see you are no longer logged in into the TikTok account of yours. So this is how you can log out TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.